Check out these Lysol dual action wipes. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So these are fantastic wipes and you just take off the top and just pull one out of the dispenser there, and it comes out in a dual-sided setting. So there is a soft side on this edge, and it's a bit damp because it has the Lysol on it as well. But then this side is a bit rougher. So if you wanted to, we could then maybe use this side as a cleaner and then wipe it off with the rough side. So let's show you that really quickly. If we wipe it off with the soft side, you get all of this as much as possible, and then we will then clear it with the harder side and see how that works. So other thing that you can do is you can take a paper towel and clear it off as well. But this just gets underneath all the grime and potential food left over, so that you can, have a clear table as much as possible. And there you go, that is essentially it. So these dual action wipes are just a fantastic cleaning option, and I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.